Welcome to lowkeypd. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a timeline for your sources in NotebookLM. To create a timeline of your sources in NotebookLM, you're going to want to find this reports tile in the studio. Click on that and you'll get some suggested formats as well as some regular formats. Timeline, depending on the type of source work that you have in your sources, it may show up as a format or a suggested format. It doesn't here, although historical analysis might be pretty close. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to click on create my own and then ask it to create a timeline of the thinking relative to the factory model of education based on sources. And then I'll hit generate. I have no idea how long this is going to take, so I will pause the recording and pick it up again once it is done. So my timeline for the factory model of education is done. Let me just click on that to open it. It's not a traditional timeline like you might be used to seeing on paper where it's just a line and people have written the events on it. It is more of a document. However, it gets pretty detailed. You can see coming up there is an actual table that kind of serves as a timeline. It does present the information in more of a chronological order, which may be crucial for understanding different developments and things like that. And again, you can copy it, paste this stuff into a Google Doc or a presentation or whatever. Just a really useful tool to have. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tutorials, and you can find my videos on YouTube by searching lowkeypd.